Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off comments on your Instagram posts. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you want to just disable commenting on a specific post, start by opening that post. Tap the three dots Settings button for that post. Select Turn off commenting. You will see that the option to comment has been removed. You can re-enable commenting for that post by tapping the Post Settings button again and enabling them. There doesn't seem to be a way of turning off comments for all of your posts or future posts, but there is a way to limit who can comment. Go to your profile page and then tap the Settings button from the top right. Tap Settings from the pop-up menu. In Settings, select Privacy. Under the Interactions section, select Comments. Tap Allow Comments From. Here you can choose to allow comments from everyone, people you follow and follow you, or people you follow. If you select people you follow, then it will stop the majority of people from being able to comment on your posts. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.